Hello my fellow YouTubers again. Right, today I'm going to do sesame prawn on toast. It's a bit of a faff, to be fair. You can go out and buy it from the supermarket and, you know, just get a little bit of toast with a tiny little bit of prawn on there. That don't work for me. Anyway, if you've got some prawns in your fridge, or your freezer, sorry, you can make this so simple and so easy. Right, let's get to it. Right, I've got some king prawn or tiger prawn here. There's about 15 of them there. I'm only going to do a portion for me. Got some sesame oil, some potato starch. You always need the potato starch. MSG, rice wine, some pepper. I'm going to use half an egg, and I'm going to do it in that. So let's get to it. Right, I'm going to try and do this one-handed. Right, so I'm going to put them in there. Just put a lid on. Sorry about the light, guys. It's not the best, but anyway, I've minced the prawns, as you've seen. Just going to put a bit of sesame oil in. Some MSG. Don't be scared of MSG. It's got a bad reputation, but there's nothing wrong with it. A little bit of wine. Pepper, some salt, and a bit of egg, and some potato starch. We just want to mix it in. The consistency you want is like a really thick, sticky, horrible wallpaper stuff, wallpaper paste. Just keep mixing it with your hands. I promise you, this will be the best prawn toast you've ever had. Alright. You can make all this in advance. You know, obviously make this mixture. Don't put it on the bread, and then just quickly do that as and when you want it. Right, that is what you want it like. Perfect. Right, now it's been mixed up, it's all ready to go. I'm going to show you one now. I'm not cooking it yet. I'm going to have it later, but I'll do one now for you. So, one bit of bread. I think the best way of doing it is, if you had a spatula it'd be better, but I ain't got one, so I just use the back of a spoon. You want to get this on thick, alright? Supermarket stuff is like wafer thick. I don't even think it's prawn, to be fair, but you want to get it on thick. And try not to do it right to the edge of the crust, because we're going to be cutting them off later. You don't want to waste any prawn. And what I find best is to load the middle up more, because when you cut it in the triangles, you want it thick. Right, there's your prawn. Put that to the side there. Bring our sesames in. You can get these in any Asian supermarket. I got quite a big bag actually, and it was only $3.99, so I'm happy with that. Right, put it in there, give it a squash. And there it is, guys. What we're going to do later, we're going to deep fat fry this 180 Celsius for about, I don't know, 6 minutes, and then we're going to drain it. I'm going to cut the crust off, and then I'm going to cut it into triangles, and then I'm going to eat it. Right, if you've liked what you've seen, give us a thumbs up. If you've not liked it, give us a thumbs down. I don't really care. Like and subscribe, and all the quantities and ingredients will be down in the description. So have a go, guys. Right, I'll see you next time for some more cooking videos.